If you're watching this video on our website, then you probably already have a problem with your roof and you want to know if replacing it is right for you. By the end of this video, you'll know that and what to do about it. Hi, I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been in the construction industry for over 40 years and have owned Bill Ragan Roofing Company for over 30 years. At Bill Ragan Roofing Company, we want to ensure that you are well informed before you make that important buying decision of a new roof. Figuring out whether or not you need a roof replacement is a very important question for you and your home. In this video, we're covering three main topics. What damages warrant a roof replacement? What age do you need to replace your roof? And what's the price range of a new roof system? What damages warrant a roof replacement? Some of the types of damages that could cause you to need to have your roof replaced. Obviously, storm damage, whether it would be a wind-related storm or a hailstorm. Those are a couple of the weather-related damages to your roof. Another one that could cause your roof to need to be replaced is mechanical damage. Let's say painters are up on the roof, damaging your roof with the ladder. Rather than repairing it, you might want to replace it. If you have tree limbs hanging over your roof and a tree limb breaks, that could create such a big enough repair that it's actually better to just go ahead and replace your roof rather than repair it. At what age do you need to replace your roof? The lifespans for the most common types of roof materials, on asphalt shingles, 3-tab shingles, you should get 25 years out of them. A dimensional roof or architectural shingles, you ought to get 30 years out of that. A luxury shingle, you're going to get close to the 50-year mark out of those. Now, a screw-down panel metal roof, you should be able to get 30 years out of it with proper maintenance. And a standing seam roof, you should be able to get 50 years out of it. When shingles start to age, that's when you want to start thinking about replacing your roof, and you probably want to start thinking about changing them somewhere between 3 to 5 years before the stated lifespan on the shingles. You don't want to wait until the very last year of your roof to think about replacing it. The key to getting that much life out of your roof is having it properly ventilated. That is the most key issue. A couple of other things that affect the lifespan of your roof is the climate and where you live, what type of storms we have, and also how much tree coverage you have over your roof. Actually, trees can actually shorten the lifespan of your roof just because of the sap and everything that falls out of them. What's the price range of a new roof system? The price range of a new roof system is going to vary depending on what type of roof you have and many other factors. But let's just say a normal, regular 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-story house, a typical price range, and this does depend on the square footage, but a price range of somewhere around $8,000 for a house of that size. And then once you get into the a little more larger, a 4 or 5-bedroom home, you could get up into the $20,000 range pretty easy with these new pitches that they're using these days, the way they're building homes. Pricing a roof is complicated. The only way to get an accurate number is to actually measure the roof and count the components and then do the numbering, do the math, and come up with the 100% accurate price. If you want to learn more about how much your new roof system will cost, check out our roof calculator on our website to see what it will cost to have your roof replaced with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. I'm Bill Ragan, and if a customer of mine has a problem, then I have a problem.